the folks who have to deal firsthand with the impact of those holiday gatherings a week or two down the road are frontline medical workers. Joining us now, Lacey Gooch. She is the cardiovascular ICU nurse at Nebraska Medical Center in Omaha. Thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us. Cases are surging where you are all around the country ahead of Thanksgiving. Take us inside your ICU right now. What's it like?
Hi, thank you for having me, first of all. Inside the ICU, we're full and we're exhausted. We pretty much just bounce room to room, taking care of everybody who needs our help.
You started working with COVID patients back in April. What are some of the main differences you're seeing now, say, compared to what you were seeing at the beginning of the pandemic?
I think it's just the amount of patients that we're seeing now. I think we have a higher influx of patients, and I think the age range is even bigger. I don't know if it's just the patients that I'm taking care of, but I'm actually seeing a lot younger patients, people in their 30s or 40s. And before, people thought it was just the elderly, but we're finding out that it's not the case. Anybody's susceptible, any age.
Talk to us then, if you will, about how this impacts you personally. I mean, I don't even know how somebody can do this for days or weeks, let alone the months that you all have been putting in. How are you?
I mean, I'm holding up. Most of my friends are nurses, so we have each other to lean on. My mom's also a nurse. She's fighting COVID down in some of the crisis areas. So we're able to talk about this together. So we have that bond that we can just rely on each other. But it's hard not to take your work home with you. You go home and you just think about all the crazy stuff that you saw. And it's hard not to think about that sick patient that you left at the hospital and hope that they're still there tomorrow when you get back.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.